this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to find bundles and how to avoid these bundled coins. Now, there's a couple of ways to spot bundles, and I'm going to show you guys every way that I currently know. So firstly, let's look at a coin, for example. We click on this one in the migrated section. You want to zoom out of the coin. So once we're in the coin and we want to spot a bundle, the first thing we would do obviously is come down and look at the bundle percentage. Now it shows you the bundle amount, it shows you the insider percentage and the top holder amount. You can see that all three of these are red. The insiders are way too high. Top holders is way too high. This should be below or around 20%. Insiders should be below 5%. And bundlers, it should be less than 10%. But once you've seen this, you want to come to holders. You want to come here and click the bubble maps. Now you'd see here all of these clusters. So you can see here, if we click in the middle of the purple one, it shows you that there's a 2%, another 2%, 1%, another 1%. There's multiple percentages within this bundle. What this means is one person holds 7 different wallets belong to one person. So he sent the supply to all his different wallets. That is a bundle. You can see here this one's a 1.4% and he sent 1.1% into another wallet. So this person here holds 2%. So when you see a bubble map that looks like this, it's typically what you want to stay away from. Now, I'm going to compare it and show you guys a healthy bubble map. Now if we click MS Paint, we do the same thing. We come to holders, come down, and we see the bundlers are under 1%. Insiders are under 5%. Come to the bubble map and you can see here there's not much clusters compared to the other one. Another way to spot these bundlers, again in the holders section. What you want to do is you want to come down to the holders section. You want to scroll and look through these logos. It shows you an insider logo, shows you there's like one bundle logo on this coin. Now let's compare this one to a different coin. And we go back to the holders and you can see here there's so much insiders, a lot of bundle logos. Third way to spot if a coin is extremely bundled, it would be a feature that you can see on Axiom, is this green leaf. It shows you that the wallet is a fresh wallet and it shows you when it got funded. Now you can see here that these are new wallets and it has a bundler logo on it. That means this wallet belongs to another one of these people. As you can see here, all these fresh wallets are not a good sign. Axiom gives you this feature when you trade on their platform. And another benefit I can give you guys is if you use my referral link, you guys will get an extra boost and less fees off every transaction that you guys make. Because I'm partnered with Axiom, I can give these benefits to my viewers. Using Axiom, I've earned nearly 50 Solana. Today, by trading, I've earned 0.3 Sol. And if you guys aren't using a partnered referral, you guys are being charged the full amount of fees. Make sure you guys come to the link in my description or the link in my bio. Get yourselves the 20% off the fees and you guys will get more Solana back. If you already have an Axiom, just create a new account, sign in with your Phantom or sign in with your email and use the referral to get these benefits. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is you guys need to have filters. Better filters you have, the less scam coins you will see. I'm going to show you guys if you don't have filters. Look at all these rubbish coins that are coming up on your screen. See, like let's just click something that you would probably see. Look at this. What is this on another one? See, if a chart looks like this, obviously you don't want to buy this. These are all just confusion. It's all rubbish. You'll lose all your money. Once I apply filters like this, follow me. Pump and bonk. Token age max 30 minutes. Come down. Come to metrics. Volume 8,500. Minimum market cap 8,500. Global fees paid and sold 0.5, and you just hit apply. And you can see here it only gives you an option for about 6 to 7 coins. You can click on it. The research, the bundles are not that much. You see here on the chart, not much bundle logos, but there is sniper logos, which is not a good thing. If you guys are looking at a chart and it's only going up like this, that's not a good sign. Stay away, because a chart needs to have certain flow to it, right? It has to go up, down, up, down, up, down, like this. So what you can do is hide the token so you don't have to see it again. Click on another one. Do your research. Not that bundled, you know. It's not always bad if you see clusters like this, as long as it's not big clusters. You can see here, if it's not a funny meme, stupid. This account has changed its name 3 times, which most likely means they've scammed it before. Go back. You hide the tokens so you don't see rubbish coins anymore. These are the filters for my migrated section. Volume 50,000, market cap 70,000, global fees paid 3. And usually token age max, I would most of the time have it at around 450 minutes to apply, so you don't see old coins, you just see the coins on the day. And as for new pairs, I don't really trade new pairs, but if I do, my only filters would have been volume, which would be about $500, and token age just max 1 minute. A reminder, if you guys aren't using Axiom, sign up to Axiom. You can even trade perps on here. Has a Twitter tracker. You can add whoever you want. You have your wallet tracker here. You can track all of these wallets. I'll have it in my Discord. You guys can just copy and paste it. Click on manager, just import, go to my Discord, copy and paste, and just hit import. And you'll have all of these wallets. If you guys have any questions, just message my Twitter. I reply to everyone. Please like the video and subscribe.